Welcome to our channel. If you want to use iPhone as Roku Remote, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly set up and working smoothly. Step 1. Open the relevant app or website on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials and have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings or Account menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in the main menu section. Step 3. Look for the option related to the task you want to complete. This might be labeled as Preferences, Account Settings, or Device Management depending on the platform. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Read each instruction and make sure you understand what is being asked before proceeding to the next step. Step 5. Make sure you double-check all settings before finalizing. It is important to verify that each option is configured correctly to avoid any potential issues. Make sure you double-check all settings before finalizing. It is important to verify that each option is configured correctly to avoid any potential issues. Complete the required actions by entering any necessary information or making the appropriate selections from the available options. Step 6. Confirm your changes by clicking the Save, Apply, or Confirm button. Some platforms may require you to verify your action through email or text message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.